Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. My name is Joy Karaoke. On today's video, we are going to Kileleshwa, where I'll be house hunting for a 2-bedroom and a 1-bedroom for my client. And right now, I'm on my way to Kileleshwa, and the weather today is just cold and it is drizzling. And as you can see, the environment here, it's very amazing. One thing I love about Kileleshwa is that the environment is very green and quiet, which make it a good place to live in. Today I'll be touring this amazing apartment that has a 2-bedroom going for 70,000 and a 1-bedroom going for 65,000. This is a kids play area that is very well maintained and very well done. As you can see, the kids are safe here. Other amenities include there's ample parking, you get a free access to gym, 24 hours maximum security, constant water supply, and a high-speed lift. The first unit that we are going to check out is this 2-bedroom that I said earlier. Then it's going for 70,000. This is a common washroom that is neatly done. I love it. And as we proceed the other side, this is where your spacious living lounge is, enough to fit your dining area and your couch. And as you can see, there is enough natural lighting coming from that window. We're gonna check it out later. I just love how this house is giving classy and it's giving out the Pinterest vibe. I love this French door because wow, it's letting in so much natural lighting in this house. And as you can see, this is your balcony area. You can set up a swinging chair here and you still got great views of Kileleshwa. Look at that. You will be just enjoying your morning coffee here, or you can just come here with a book to read as you meditate. Let's proceed to the kitchen area. You get an open plan kitchen that is very massive to fit a 6-seater dining table. You get a kitchen space that is fully fitted with enough cabinetry. You get a double sink, a hood extractor, a space for your double door fridge, and a 6-burner cooker. I love it. From the kitchen, you get this door that leads you to this balcony, which happens to be your laundry space. I love this space, and as you can see, this balcony got the views of Kileleshwa. You'll be enjoying doing your work here. I'm now taking you to the first bedroom of this house. As you can see, the bedroom has enough natural lighting. You get a huge window that is serving you the great views of Kileleshwa. On this other side, you get a very unique wardrobe that is from floor to ceiling. And on this other side, you get a combined washroom, a very lit washroom with a vanity setup, a separate toilet, and a shower cubicle. This is your master bedroom and this is your master washroom. A combined washroom with a vanity setup, a toilet, and a separate shower cubicle. You get a huge bedroom, enough to fit your king size bed, and as you can see, there is enough natural lighting in here. And this is your wardrobe that is enough to fit your clothes. We are now proceeding to check out the one bedroom unit that I said that is going for 65,000. Right from the door, you get a common washroom that is neatly done with a vanity setup and a toilet. Right from there, you proceed to your beautiful and a huge living lounge area. On my right side is where the bedroom space is, and this is it, a very huge bedroom with a beautiful wardrobe, a huge window to air your space, and a washroom that is neatly done with a vanity setup, a toilet and a shower cubicle, and tons of natural lighting. From here, we are proceeding to see the beautiful and the large living lounge that is enough to fit your couch. And this is a balcony space. And as you can see, this one bedroom unit is very spacious. Now to the kitchen. Beside the kitchen is where your dining table will be. The kitchen comes fitted with a hood extractor, a double sink, enough cabinetry, and enough worktops. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video. Please make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Bye.